Bakago kwanira emirobere serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii yaberege kubeka bosiobwe mbura ya Nino yachakire kwenekiwa chinsemo au imense ya Kenya nigatebe emirobere mikirano yaberege kubekwa eri gutanga amakongwande ayo akagere koretwa nembure yo asataire boigoni bagoche kwenekia buna amatemwa yo agenderete klasi ya 12 KCSE tarigo chiago turubani wanchire ndeyonsi nembure yo.
I may not be really comfortable in confirming whether we are really Nino times or not. But what I know is we have been experiencing rains, right? And the beauty again about it is that the rains are coming in when we had already put our disaster management committee in place. We had done a lot of build-up activities. We had opened the drainages around. We had done sensitization. Going by the previous pattern of disasters here, we already had mapped out those areas that we felt were going to be of concern to us, and we advised the people who are residing there to come down. Other than that, we have also been able to assimilate the resolutions that we made in our disaster committee. So we are up to the challenge. We are glad that so far we haven't experienced any incidents, and we are praying that we don't get one. The other challenge that we have been having actually was about the drainage system, and we are in touch with the respective engineers who are charged with the responsibility of maintaining our roads to ensure that they open the drainage system. The county government has also taken it up as a responsibility, and therefore I can safely say we are good to go. So far, the rains haven't interrupted our exams. It's something that we are very happy about, and we are remaining alert as far as that is concerned. We've put in place adequate measures to ensure that just in case the buses that are failing exam have an issue, then we'll now resort to our security